What happens when Goan sunsets and electric guitars collide? You get 7 notes. 7 Notes isn't just a band. They're a musical adventure straight from the heart of Goa. These young musicians blend old-school Konkani vibes with modern indie jazz and a splash of reggae. Think carnival meets concert. Their gigs? Pure energy. You'll find them jamming at beaches, cozy cafes, and festivals all over Goa, making every crowd dance. Their originals and classic covers are all about good vibes, friendship, and that laid-back Goan spirit. They've got saxophones, guitars, percussion, sometimes even surprise instruments you'd never expect. Whether you're a die-hard music nerd or just looking for your next playlist, Obsession 7 Notes brings everyone together. So if you're ready to ride the sound waves of Goa, check out 7 Notes. You might just discover your new favorite band.
Mogacho